Good evening, folks. Welcome to David Wow Campings. Right now I'm still in New Mexico, and this area is absolutely beautiful, and it's called Gaia del Rio Camping, and it's free. You can stay up to 14 days, and it's getting cold nighttime onto it. So I will show you the websites that always, so you can come and follow me. Okay, and here we are. Today I'm not gonna do some cooking. I'm gonna do something different, fun, about chicken. So what happened is that today I'm gonna have to debone the whole chickens, and when you buy the whole chickens you save a lot of money. You know, imagine that you buy the breast, and then you buy the legs, and then you buy the wings. They're all different price. By the time you get the whole thing onto it, it costs you an arm and the leg, right? So here we are, buy whole chicken, and it's organic, and cost me $12 something, $12.50. And here we are. So I'm gonna debone it, break it down. I'm gonna show you parts, and then I will show you each part what I'm gonna do on the cooking sides. So I have my knife today, because chef love to sharpen the knife. There you go. So you debone it, cut the wings off, get rid of all the joint here, and you break it down. So here's the wings. My wife's favorite. She likes a lot of wings. Here we go. Cut again, break it, cut right in the joint. Bam. Same thing with the happy sexy legs. Hoo yeah. Cut onto it, break it out. See the bones will come up, boom, and bang. How beautiful. Same thing with here. Cut it up, break it down. Here you go. Cut right in between the joint. Now the legs. Now, from here, very simple. What I do, all this fat, a lot of people throw away. That's a mistake. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna save all the happy flavor fat to it. Trim all the fat and the skin. Here you go. Beautiful. Now turn these chickens, and here you see the bones. These are the bones over here. You just cut here, right to here. Chop it right in between again, the joint, and here you go. This is the bones, the back rib. Now you have a beautiful chicken breast here. Cut over here, right in the center. Go right here, right into the witch bones. Here you go. Bam! You have a beautiful chicken breast, and the tendon is right here, the filet mignon. Boom! Bam! Same thing here. Up here, out there. See how I move the knife? Try to go, pull, and the bones. Tendon is right here. Boom. Bam. So easy. Look at that. The money you save into it. So here we are. The breast, we have one videos we make already. So please go and watch it. It's pollo alla piccata. So it's a chicken breast with white wine, capers, lemon butter sauce into it. So you can use that chicken breast as the video we just make. This bone is the flavor. You make chicken stock, and I will make a video on that. It's so easy into it. When you make a whole bunch of chicken stock, you can freeze it, and then you get a fresh chicken stock onto it. Now I'm gonna debone the legs. From here, cut right here, boom, right here, see, and nice and clean. It takes practice, so you know when you watch the video, just take your time. Turn around here, put right here, or you can use this one. And then right in the angle where the joints again, cut into it around the meat. You have another one here. Same thing with this one. Put right here, cut off here, trim it up real good. Bam. Then you take out the skin. Fat. Okay, same thing with this again. Right into L shape. And right in the bone again. From here. And here. And here. And here. Cut right here. Bones. Yeah. There you go. Right in between. Skin. Peel. And here you go. There you go. Here you have the chicken wings. My wife likes to do it, to eat it, fry or saute into it. And now I'm gonna show you how to dice it up. Okay, so that way when you're in camping, you can do all this prep ready. So that way you don't have to get and do it one more time. So when you break all the chicken into it, cut into whatever you feel like when I'm gonna make into it, just do it one shot. So I like duck meat. I think make me more muscular. I think so. Right? I think I'm gonna ask my wife first. She's the boss. Okay? You cut like this. Just dice it up. So what I do is strip and then you dice. It depends how big you want, but when you are camping, you want to cut everything small. You want to cook it fast because your propanes, or if you're on the wood, that's okay. Cost you nothing, but you're on the propane, you want to save money. Okay, there you go. So this is the dice. So beautiful dice. Happy, you keep on to it. Okay, the breast, you can also butterfly if you want to be cheap. You know, instead of giving, if you're giving a whole base, whole chicken breast, you can cut into almost half. So you sell $5 here and not $5 here. Everybody happy. You make money. So that's chicken breast. The tendon, you can dice it up the same thing. Now we're talking about a soup. We can make a broth on that. Incredible chicken stock onto it. And this one you can saute anything, vegetables, or even you can just poach it, make a salad into it. The breast, the same thing. Now we're talking the fat. So what you're gonna do, you make sure the fat is completely dried up with a paper towel. All this, and then what you do, you put some little bit of olive oil. You pan fry it. I mean, you just saute it slowly. Okay, first crank it high, so let it kind of almost like a deep fry onto it until they're all nice and crispy. And that oil, when you start doing cooking, Madonna, the flavor of the chicken fat was it's so sexy. And after that, you fry it up until very crispy. It become a chips. So either way, after you get dry this way, you can cut into small these pieces. This knife here, that much, and you just fried it. And then after you fried it, you put a little salt and pepper, scoop some lemon juice. You have a chicken skin chips. All right, folks. Today's thing, I showed you all the chickens, so you save a lot of money on that way. So please, if you like this video, subscribe, and please happy wild camping cooking. It's so easy into it. All right, folks. See you then. Ciao, ciao.